really want to get this woodworking business going, so to do that, I need to keep making things and keep getting better, and also people need to know that I do this. So once a week, I'm going to be making a custom piece for a local business somewhere here in Los Angeles, and see what happens. So this week, I'm going to make a Lazy Susan out of this yellow canary for a Thai tea place my roommate and I go called La Moon. So that was the maximum depth of the router. So now I'm gonna use that as just kind of a guide, use the jigsaw to take off all the rest of it, and then flush trim it with my router and get everything nice and circle.
Oh, okay.
I know someone's gonna tell me what I did wrong, but until then, I'm just gonna hand cut it, because that was scary. I got this cut out in a circle, but I did run into my first major, slightly major, not super major, issue. I was planning on using this at the top, but as I was doing it, this side just looked a lot cooler. You still get the sapwood here, you get the really red tones right there, which I really like, but that's also where I put the hole for the circle cutting jig. So what I'm gonna do is just get a plug cutter. I'm gonna cut this a little bigger. Yeah, it should be, I'm not super worried, just I guess that was the first bad thing that happened. For the base of this, I'm gonna do something I've never done before. I'm gonna take these 3 pieces of maple that I just skip planed. I'm gonna make like a power carve. Gonna make a cool little something. I'm gonna try to make it look stumpy or wavy or something. But basically I'm gonna glue this all up and then take my angle grinder and my cut saw and just go to town and see what happens. It's gonna be really my first time using the cut saw, so kind of excited, kind of cool. Let's try it. So I let this dry for a little bit. Now I've got my $10 angle grinder. I've only done like one test piece before, so this will be interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna sand it with the stuff that I use for debarking and see if I can smooth it out, because I think this smooth would look really cool. Curious to see what this looks like. Water popped a little bit because these shadow lines, like, it just looks like a little mountain. It just looks like a rock, but it's wood. I'm gonna hand sand this with a 80 and 120, just with a little pad, and see if I can get it a little more smooth. I'm gonna forget to record something to this, but I'm lasering in on the top. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is definitely more of my personality in this editing style, so I'm gonna keep doing it like this. And if you have a local business, or if you know someone with a local business here in Los Angeles that might want to be a part of this or might need some custom something, let me know, because I definitely want to keep this series going and support any other entrepreneurs, makers, artists, really creative, anything, any way I can. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one.